Have you ever wondered how companies fit massive AI models, like Google Gemini or Llama 3, onto a smartphone? Normally, these models are gigantic. They require expensive servers with massive amounts of memory to run. But somehow, developers are shrinking them down so they can run on your laptop or even your phone. The secret magic behind this is called quantization. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what quantization is, the math behind it, and why it's the single most important concept for making AI accessible to everyone. Let's dive in. Think of quantization like image compression. Imagine you have a RAW 4K photograph. It's beautiful and detailed, but the file size is huge, maybe 50 megabytes. If you want to send that photo on WhatsApp, you can't send the RAW file. You compress it into a JPEG. It looks almost exactly the same to the human eye, but the file size drops from 50 megabytes to just 2 megabytes. Quantization does the exact same thing for AI models. When an AI is trained, its brain cells, called parameters, are stored as high-precision numbers. We call these 32-bit floating points, or FP32. They are super precise, like having 10 decimal places. But do we really need that much precision just to predict the next word in a sentence? Usually, the answer is no. So, here's the technical part. We take those big 32-bit numbers and round them down to smaller numbers, like 8-bit integers or even 4-bit integers. Let's look at the memory difference. If you keep a model at full precision, one parameter takes up 4 bytes of memory. But if you quantize it to 4-bit, that same parameter takes up only 0.5 bytes. That is an 8 times reduction in size. This means you lose a tiny bit of accuracy. Maybe the AI is 1% less smart, but in exchange, it runs 4 times faster and uses way less RAM. Let's apply this to a real example that you can try today. Let's look at the Llama 3 8 billion model. If you try to run the original version of this model, you need about 16 gigabytes of VRAM. That means you need a very expensive professional graphics card. But if you download the 4-bit quantized version of Llama 3, the requirement drops to just 5 gigabytes. Suddenly, you don't need a server. You can run this powerful AI on a standard gaming laptop, or even a MacBook Air. This is why quantization is a game changer for students and developers. It democratizes AI. To summarize, quantization is the process of lowering the precision of an AI model to make it smaller and faster, with very little loss in quality. If you are interested in generative AI, you need to understand this, because quantized models are what you will likely use in your own applications to save money and cloud costs. If you want to see a tutorial on how to actually download and run these quantized models on your own computer using free tools, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make a step-by-step guide. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech explanations. I'll see you in the next video.